Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. After independence, India made rapid strides in the agricultural sector. Full stop. Dependence of India on agricultural imports in the early 1960s, convinced planners that India's growing population, as well as concerns about national independence, security and political stability, required self-sufficiency in food production, full stop. This perception led to a program of agricultural improvement called the Green Revolution, to a public distribution system and price support system for farmers, full stop. Paragraph change. The growth in food grain production is a result of concentrated efforts to increase all the Green Revolution inputs needed for higher yields, better seeds, more fertilizers, improved irrigation and education of farmers, full stop. Although increased irrigation has helped to lessen year-to-year fluctuations in farm production resulting from the vagaries of the monsoons, it has not eliminated them, full stop, paragraph change, non-traditional crops of India, comma, such as summer moong, bracket, a variety of lentil, comma, part of the pulse family, bracket, comma, soya beans, comma, peanuts and sunflowers are gradually gaining importance, full stop. Steps have been taken to ensure an increase in the supply of non-chemical fertilizers at reasonable prices, full stop. There are 53 fertilizer quality control laboratories in the country, full stop, though the Green Revolution increased yields greatly, comma, it aimed at the better endowed regions, full stop, for millions of farmers languishing in the dry lands, comma, constituting more than 70% of the cultivable lands, comma, it continues to be a futile struggle, full stop, despite emphasis on dry land farming during the past several decades, comma, the scenario still remains grim, full stop, stop.